How to combine different styles of furniture. In brief, interior eclecticism looks fashionable and modern only if its elements match. See more in the video. If you are inspired by the ideas for interior from the video, you can purchase the furniture and accessories you liked from the links below. As a result of circumstances, furniture of different ages and styles is common in many houses. Fashion trends may be inspiring, but you shouldn't blindly stick to them. It will deprive the interior of its personality and make it look outdated. By combining items from different eras, you can create an interesting, multi-layered composition that you can change and enhance over time. There are a few techniques that make it possible to add eclecticism into the interior by using different styles of furniture. Tip 1. Use furniture of one color. To make the room look harmonious, use furniture of one and the same color. Use a single color scheme to design the interior or vice versa. Highlight certain color elements. You may place indoor plants all over the room as a connecting thread. Use furniture from different sets, but from the same era, for example, the Victorian one with curly legs. Tip 2. Use similar materials. Use similar materials to decorate the interior. For example, in case of an open layout, it may be one type of flooring or identical pendant light that will visually unite the furniture. This kind of solution will make it look as if that was the idea. Remember that the furnishing style should be close. For example, if your furniture is from the 1950s, classic and modern. Most of the objects should be in one of these styles. Thus, the room will look uniform, with the highlighted objects being seen as an accent. Size also matters. Different chairs at the table should be of about the same height and shape. Tip 3. Use repeating patterns. To make different objects in the living room look eclectic, use repeating patterns. Think of a color scheme. Put blue and red accent pillows on the neutral colored furniture. Add a little yellow as an accent. Follow these tips and you will design a harmonious space, even if you have never done it. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos with the ideas for interior and click the bell button to stay in touch. You will find the links to the furniture and accessories you like below the video. Embrace the changes.